New anti-terror tool being rolled out across Sydney this New Year's Eve. Portable barriers strong enough to take on a truck will be set up in party locations to protect crowds from vehicle attacks.
A speeding car on a path to cause mass carnage. But it's stopped in its tracks by a crash barrier. It's a potential act of terror played out in Western Sydney's crash lab at Huntingwood as authorities turn to this latest line of defence to combat what's become a weapon of choice by extremists. After attacks in Europe, these Belgian-produced barricades were designed to bring a 7.5-tonne truck to a screeching halt.
These are what we're used to, concrete blocks, effective yet ominous. But these barriers are mobile and can be moved in an instant, even through big crowds.
And they'll be deployed in areas where we need to quickly put them up and then remove them again to keep the public access flowing.
They've already passed a trial during the City to Surf and will be rolled out in the CBD on New Year's Eve and Australia Day.
Sadly, in today's day and age, this is the type of technology we need in high population areas to keep people as safe as possible.